pencil, I dare your pencil.
I don't even think you're
I dare your pencil, say mango. Hi, let me tell you.
Say you're painting.
Listen, I tell you. I would do the one. What are you? What are you? Oh, what
phobia, idiot. Manchester. I hear me here. I hear I'm here.
And me jisem ni TETE MMOFRA online TV akofaba. TETE MMOFRA akohunu. Ani ne yakohu eni ebeka. Na ne ete so de ye kama ni yeji. Ye jijimu mako te se beans ni ya pensem mu ama wati ase. Share your TETE MMOFRA online TV. Na ye nti ye ni awo ani ti ensem ho. Enti share me God's love fu. Mini abema.
MC Omar Sterling. TETE MMOFRA ko.
Eni jinkwa.
Mema obi bia kwaba eba TETE MMOFRA online TV esujumedi a wo hwe ye TETE MMOFRA akohunu medin ade God's love fum de bia da me kase meti akonya kese mu a anya me nko na mede nsem a etwegu wo BET2025 fidie so edema o meni menua bema MC Omar Sterling no obone ho asafo hene se ono nko ne MC a onye MC we hiase clock it Debia da si de meka na uhumi wakonya kese mu ye ni gie hu nsem na mede bro mekai wo so se opese wo ton wade wo TETE MMOFRA online TV so a ye puna bie ti se heaven door no ye wo homa da bia enu ti fa numbers na e wo screen so no na fraye enkomo kitu abi ne mbodo nkomi ma wa don komi ne so no ubenya mfaso e wo hom numbers no e wo screen so ana obetimi afa number ya me ba beboboi number ni 0207170130 0207170130 afei so odi for Samuel say amani hunu ben ena ebu kon amani hunu ben ena ema wusuni efo banasuye ni nyina ne se obefa ne numbers na e wo screen so no na woni na twetwe nkomo se eya akwantu hu sensem spiritual marriage adie bia ema wankasa otebia NCP no otenete na ade ba akososo ye manigi pa ne se mpo no wo hu asase bi na hu sasase agudie wo so yesi ane ai wo pa agudie gi se odi moja nyina gusu da bi odi for Samuel de odi broskoto ne braskata ebe ye bibia ma na wo so nya wo sika de edidi enu nti frɛ odi for Samuel na wo so nya nkwaje wa abra o da obetimi ada kama afei yenko trending stories no eso but ansan ye beko trending ne so no ye ntwa ye ho sema pe ye beba sisia efua santua biemo abaiwe and obi beka sa abayiwa obi beka sa me maame ba me de me friend se menua eye 2023 efua santua eye media personality na ye hunu wo media fraternity no ache kakra bi ye hu ya ne se oso ono so ba betonum wa bra Hilda Basi oye alatani etimi anu aduane emre bebre anase hours bebre na Guinness Book records amana abasobodi eche se abayiwe hu twawaya ade na eno na Ghana ni ba ko original ya wose India ebro be 2012 ne hu se India ni eti gina ye to nwomo ama Guinness Book of Records ankasa ka se abrantie wa ya de enti ye bo waba so eti si e wuko Guinness Book of Records obi a wato nwomo Guinness Book of Records ama no se wa ya de no e ya abrantie bi owo India na eno na efu asanto ase me hwe me hu pa efu asanto me koji aman metimi atonwum yi kama ampani ampa 2023 otonwum yi ni ye hwese nka ono soso no Guinness Book of Records betimi abona baso bia obi be se fofia ntoata na fi se wawu anwum tuo ni mu ya reward no ana o sa gina ye se ampa me ye asantoa asante ni ba de me ma obi anka njem se ma feli 2024 December no sha ase se tonwum sa more than 100 hours now otuwie so ye share report biemu abai reward that was ye de man ne yamfa ma no enu ti nkrofo twa kasa e wa abefo ntentan fidie ne so e kire se bebre mu hu ne se abai wa no che ska na ope wati baako amia ka kire wo se ye time ye ka se break every hour bia 1 hour bia you need to go for a break 5 minutes with the time bia ope bia na ko break Ghana for bu afu pa afei so ye be konsam foforo mu eye Kofi adoma wanwani se ye ba Ghana ha se ya nsantwireni anano awo na enie sa asam no ehyetokrom kurampa obetimi akwakoyi aba no eye Kofi adoma wanwani na eye afi etwemu 2024 okwakofa report nsantwedwuma de bibia ya so beti bia ye dirimi ka kwakwohwe ne ye kone ye de aba beka ye kase ye bo aye ka ho na eno ana arehosema esi ho ne chese etu omo to na bia etimi kobo Kofi adoma wanwani ani a edru ba bi na won hu hye nyame adom Dubai ho akwani aba omo koba ene ne yere mu a information a ewo Facebook chese sese Kofi adoma wanwani etimi hunu ade ebiem yenkonko hwe ni video no emra
I don't know what's here. What's here?
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Yeah. What's here?
This is the video of how a tuosi bo Kofi adoma wanwani ani ewo doma nyantobase ne hwe video no ye pa nyantobase ne hwe video no ye. This is how a incident ni see ya etuo efa so bo Kofi adoma wanwani ani ewo doma. Ma hu say some of the bloggers no ejimi online saying say nipa na otutuo no wo sheda ene tutuo de bo nani it was a whole lot. Wo de sign hwe incident ni bio na me nyantobase me breaki video no down ema wontiase na ye hu se nipa no o sheda anase wan sheda ma me repeat video no bio nyantobase ne hwe video no wo de nyantobase ne hwe video no he video no ye pa aha ene ehu se watutuo na e ka ye brother Kofi adoma wanwa ni nani no hwe video no ye aha sei mo ene otutuo na e ka no no afei nyantobase ne hwe ade ye hwe this particular video hwe wei short video we ya me posti wo de nyantobase ne hwe unza time a guy na otutuo no gina ho no hwe picture we ye na me fa video no nto aso guy na okita tuo no ye nyina ehu ba bi ogina nti camera we na ebekọ guy na okita tuo no ho no eye young brother Kofi adoma wanwani ne camera na ekita no no eno na ebe movie no nti wo de nyantobase ne hwe ba bi a ofaaye ene ba bi okogina ye na wa dwen hunhu se nipa na otutuo no wo sheda anase wan sheda wo de hwe video no young brother Kofi adoma wanwani ne camera no nti ofa nipa
ko ensem foforo mu eye yankasa ye nipa ba akope jumtini ba akope Black Sheriff asa ya niema bi kakra mbi ama Ghana fo ka se erade dende ka fo asa ye nyino fo ntu nanum ane ni nyina ne se eye BET a baso afimu no ya nominating for best international act and congratulations to Black Sheriff ye cheso se bibia be okay ama no because 2019 ye won say 1000 sa akode ono de no ka no one fans also cry landlord it's me winning best international artist of which I'm hoping say this year Black Sherif Ebenyam award ne di abagana because Black Sherif this is not the first time I BET for a nominating 2023 nominating but when ya or lose that kind of nomination e demand or no ankasa man Burna Boy so this year 2025 for dear I'm sure say Black Sherif didn't come here to play young concern from ubiem DJ Slim minim dientia or pese media personality any artist as a person in the tokwa bi when ka wasenka artist na mu di beef ba na akoye say medical ne stone boy nenso yada sorry ya yehu say DJ Slim eto TBB e wo Twitter na ade na o Twitter ya na opa chese ani obey very disappointed in TGMA somebody artist of the year ebema Kempaluta but ono die ohune say artist of the year no ye the Stone Boy and now say Kim Promise her ebeboa pa and see this is what DJ Slim etroye e Twitter I will be disappointed in Ghana Music Awards if they give the artist of the year award to anybody apart from Stone Boy or Kim Promise. You can't show less interest in the scheme and me pacho baby at TETE MMOFRA na who baby adeno where the nepache be awarded. This is nonsense. This nonsense must stop. So this is what a DJ Slim wrote on Twitter. But wamo Kim Promise din wamo Kempaluta din. Now so you say akutie nim nira no Kempaluta so bekan sembi Twitter ti sani okay am okay chen DJ Slim say in some na work an loose talk yanu krampo no enkonkoda nchen na nkasa DJ Slim ankasa ne podcaster wo no ne nsem bi a wo ka patch say asek Kempaluta na nkasa or you very relaxed as onye serious artist of the year no ope because how come say MC portfolio media houses 1111 bon who de rose artist of the year microphone voting ma na wubenya but wo mu krampo ne hu say wo ye bibi okasa the game match about the entia ohun ne say Kempaluta enye serious yen konkote details no emra
nsemfo emfa me feature abra mintiaso opanyin si en delete yen nyina free industry na me se ne dreadlocks na me delete me yi na Paluta ne new one zo akoye new dreadlocks akakaka me bozo on me beti ba akwa atwa ma no sei na me dey to park sign bi west side to die utisa be enya mbreye masa adwuma no Paluta you've stepped into the big league. You say when you're underground artist be more you are in the big league. It's either you go hard or you go home. Said Juma we ama man for ya the four. Said Juma we ama man for abodam. Said Juma we ama ehia man for. Baby what drew no what drew her. Inti ahano akrokro nimbiem. Ye Juma no said ye said ne said ye fata. Umpa o se mempe dope nation omo se omo mpe omo ti o baby. Patch omo ti o baby. Oh. Umpa mempe. Enya ho because obeye sana it say and the Kumasi narrative I'm stressing on that because they will push the Kumasi narrative after this. Forgetting that whatever portfolio is doing could have been complemented if Kempaluta was also on the journey. Cause so TC from B. Ah, yeah, who? Somebody need beam for Ankoye games. What do you say they ain't Ankoye games? Or mobilizing the troops at Drew or so gather Munina, Bako, Yumi, and Sammy and Sa. Kekamo Bosso, Mombrani and Kotwaba. Campaign Drew, a honorable and so watch it, a Bantama, Wame Bogala, or what do you say the India? Or Kekani troops, Naboom? A campaign strategy. Ompa, nominate you na. Mempe. Simple. But you will stay there with some lackadaisical attitude. Oh, I say, oh, yeah, well, because I won't, ope pao, who's ope? Say, I don't know, me try say, we mean, comment here. Ope. ye ho adwuma anho akade no ye tisi form can promise ye no ho ana as I2B's approach to life no use I2B's omo interview near the omun ko bia and okofa as a format no or copy no drag no be paste na Ghana for hwe ni di na msa
until we and in summer DJ Slim ekaye of which some people agree said DJ Slim asemo okano no kre if he say or make examples say politicians cramp no say do time I was here to almost aba oba for say ankasa ya football oba bobo oba num kalipo ade bi obeye bia mo nya vote bi obeye by eye Kempaluta de Ocean Studios and ode nyomo ba matemo bla 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 an watini nyina nti eye one kasa wo case ye next story odo brana mafio oh matchen wacho say wo dey mami na makoto yam Kim Kofi Mole a video be abba social in your media so when people are talking hey Kratchi I don't go for red no biana what's the sound do Kratchi what's the too much people are talking so much say what is wrong Kofi Mole what is wrong you are not bringing out anything yente wonka now obasa face look at this guy like what change it totally and people are talking much like MC Wahankwa de Becca Wasem. Your last story. Eye Efya, the words you say hurts me so much. There is going with that. Yeah, Efya no ma Becca Wasem. EFY me say, when you BB. Efya at the new project Biba. And your canning in me who say obi obegine ni bia begine ni with water or can social media ne so nanso or say or no or when they say air stations are and as TV stations and radio stations are one or more artists ni nyom papa like more nyom sa one come on come all artists and our face so was seeing or no sometimes say you cast a musician no more supportive but no you're supportive into be a supporting or no so asema or the bar social any new media and so ain't to say you know I have the finest MC in Kumerica or non kwani MC or ye MC nanso on your MC where you are say period. Hello, how are you?
We thank God it's Friday. It Friday no be any age. Me do Monday pana bedroom say the mekwa gu ani. Oh sorry from pasopa no pa Monday. Yeah. To start the weekend pass Monday. Yeah, everybody hates Monday. God bless Friday too.
Hey, we are Monday born we hate Monday.
Oh like so obia me enemy na me say me hate Monday but obia ampe Monday. Oh sorry, I say go school. Everybody nyankopon na wa ba. Now get to say. Now gas asa. Now could you arrange so 5:30. Ah. Bedroom Friday no be any age if say weekend no be cause obi kojine ni ade. Yeah, so we thank God it's Friday.
Your first story I will say you can ho asem ye fu asantoa.
Asantoa case die. Ana Guinness Book of Records you say omofa obi akeka na me na mi suano. Miswano me hu ni say e was so yes something extraordinary and say ya peke o say ye do aka ho obi de eya bonisisi twi plane obi de eya bonisisi twi track san kofo na wo say ye hwe omo obegina say singaton na enyum no kwani na kwa no nimto first time me hwe bi me die cry nti me hu ni say a waste of time me hu ni say a waste of time so broni to me ahwe won say we disqualified there was so uji too if say somebody is doing much better than you I didn't na won yin too na pe ba bi ntina and I be nyan kofo so ma ko gina hwe bi omu time me say me DJ ko bo bi ma no December na no me DJ me no we ejuma ko bo bi ma na I was like otua o kana no so we dey akatua bien na say ono na ye obu akeke ni ada na me say yo inti o ye ni say e fa na say Guinness Book of Obi I singaton 2 days 3 days and I say 30 days I do be kan ho ana like ono anga say onim and I say shatawale say oye hypocrite wa dem say mon kanchi ni gane say ade na o ye emfa na mama ground honom why can promise me na ko celebrate
na mama ground
ono kwa de odi as like ye kan no kro one me say de oye emfa munimo goslab munim say ade na o ye emfa and you be walk into A to Z ontimi ntonyom no menka so onya de she is really trying me pen energy in the bar emfa what the can akwa disqualify o and I say osunya bro for next time be say bro ni be try bibia or try the 99 times na say amfa one time ne de be fa man and be no ya na omu was some people be obi di moto miswano Guinness Book of Record obi di moto e urejema e jeno say fan say be 2 minutes jaw no di urema say obe no asa obe to inform but so ya life nkwa the amount say Guinness Book of Record do ya kan and the only Ghanaian who say ye didn't kan we ye papa Ejako one the first African actor or actor had 1,000 movies within some years be Ejako nkwa nipa minim say ye this award the man no na mi so na me say ye Guinness Book of Record Ejako ka ho
really
for acting more than 1,000 movies first African actor so what is so bit my research into when me hu say a waste of time about for na nkasa no mo munim nyansa no munim de omo ye ana munim nipa omo chisi omo ebi obi nyi e kan na entry eno say ye hu bi da
yeah
ana say obi timi de ne ketere ma eta free ne fit eno say ye hu bi da ya dia like ye hu bi da hu ubetimi akobeni akoji eduro no atafro abetwe ana say ubetimi akobeni akoji atafro na ntu say e ka ho e was I didn't de o ye na so begina on na singaton ama manfo kura so di akire di nkwasa sem say man fakaton na wigaton obeshi 1 week obefaki oba non stop for 1 week eye ni na hu hia no pepi bi papa sebi nka say ba me sebi akura bia so ni ha ti me kan me o say me kan ba ye tete mofra ye nsem kura me sere ye tete mofra and me hu ni say enko baby a ene se bia me bu na be mo ba me hu ni say enko baby a odi kan akọ ana ade na ni dabofo no mo hwe o o manya nkofo bia ye hwe monitor o enwom no ono kwa broni no oye broni no twi no o hwe ne lyrics A to Z nti uti bi ba ko uti mu za onye serious
but for what I read on social media, I went through Guinness Book of Records or more rules and regulations. Yeah, rules and regulation. It's not about you knowing how to sing the song.
Yeah.
But and you can repeat it at a point. Yama will always be saying when you do some points be and you sabe ubetimi say repeating
they don't understand that
and me say no for what I know Nisiani if first and two you are very educated, you know what is right and you know what is wrong. Your husband is also supportive or you're very educated. So that year of 2023 now na yamfa I'd like that kind of recognition now for na what's about 2024 no me to me na was so make you correction be say you need to learn go through the rules and regulation of Guinness Book of Records so that I can bet me perform it very very well because the mistakes now omo highlighted about this year 2025 the same thing about 2024 results about 2024 of what that means you one go through for your mistakes to make things correct and when you said Nina so Ghanaian supported her all they be almost supporting
I was talking about hypocrisy. They don't even know the concept of the thing on you know. So they be also okay say ononim say ukuja atonyum na ultimate tonyum to aso 1 week awaya there. They don't know anything about it. I was say we read something about Guinness Book of Record me so na manfo na ye ni na extraordinary. Ade a ultimate ya say na manfo ye no bi mene sonso no apotro no bi dikosi like anyoma o gene ho a won ti ase. But mo person mo fa de ni easy. Ka be gina yo say singaton atonyum for e ntine yemfa no. Like how?
Me when say when sua ne ma.
E wo say wo sua. Ade na okoye no.
Now the team so ambo.
They are not helping. E wo say okwa kwahwa no say na dia me ye qualification kire say. E wo say wo sua Ghana for e before mpa de sua ntie ye ne o ma raw. Ana o mo hwe no so e binom mpa de sua ntie ye ne o ma sabi enwene ho. Ana support na e di man no so wo say ni pa ba ko itimi pie kasi yo. Ade a we satawola anwene si utimi say nwum ya wo tu ye mfa kwam enso chama anwene se sanwum ne ye ne de ade na wo ye ne the right way na ma so asasa enti nipa wo ye say che no so hwe mo glass na onim say right thing wo ye no onim say ade na wo ye ne right say the money esi age am sa mo nwun musi e right nti obe koso aye afi ba ko do as disqualified broni no titi glass na chi hwe no onye jimi fu ana me kwa me ka se mi sua no eno ma mi hu ikwa asakora no kwa na ye mi hu obi di ade aboni sisi na ode twi plane and esa de ni movie o e movie locomotively ade ni movie di na chi obi di na so ade abona so na ode twi track kese ni bi o enti ukura ohwe ye no kwa enye wonwa obi etimi atatu ni whole body atatu ni kosua ni nsa e record obi anya bi da obi timi ne wo da mpa so e record munya nioma entiase bi enyim ene na abrofo na hwehwe enya singaton inni ni ya also ye singaton unim process of fame ade o ye ya man ye qualify say ye de be man no you don't know, you have to read and that's obi ye bintu so betu no how can you bypass someone just like that till ko na dey man if you asantoa what on 30 days into the man no they didn't do things like this obi waste your time and waste your sika what for DJ you go pay and you nkofo money na e bi on be support but DJs na man for wa run na e bi bo we ni na no you go pay them and nka dey ade fufu bi anka emwa they say ko why wonya fame na wie uko we nya say fame no opede wanya wie panacho onya wanya wie me nka say me condemn na say me slow the movement me penas mo Ghana ni she's trying. I like the energy odi nya ahode to nyom no ba nyom no ene no na brofo na hwehwe God's love. They want something extraordinary and no munhui into 10 times you be disqualified 10 times and also the 23. So
this is the issue across social media of which media me hu ne say a force antoa o lose 2023 no she anka no na wensua hwe no sa sorry bi emi ka so ba be because the mistakes now Guinness Book of Records they by enoa na wasaye bi emu a ama wenya that kind of recognition no enti ye next story Kofi Adoma wanwani Kofi Adoma wanwani nsentreni a otin sentre djuma siye na afie twam 2024 no ye hu se okwakofa report ewo domaye kasa Blue region honom patamu baby na etuototuo yenim se asantememu anase Ghana ha de ye kasa ye di ahini echi ye woniema bebre wo honom a ye ni akasa ye hu se yes niema na ekoyie kama na emu honom no ema ye hu se etuototuo bi a ye totototo honom no Bako akwakoka Kofi Adoma wanwani ani asem kese pa twegu ye afie twam 2024 na yese hu no wo Dubai se wo medical treatment ye hu se yanka se Ibrahim Mahama boaye CEO ma Angel that is kwaku otin so boa sikasemu senka nani no ho beto no na yanka se gospel artist na si ye betimi akeka bia bebre omo boa ye se adi dia yemye niamwa na Kofi Adoma wanwani nani no enkokra ampani ampa nani no se sei ne nam social eni ni nua media so kire ye se sei dia Kofi Adoma wanwani etimi hu ade bi na yenhwe ade bi wo video ya dasu ye chechemu ye pa bebremu asem esi ye no bebremu kase nipa na wotutu no sheda na ode bo Kofi Adoma wanwani ani na enso se wo hwe video ni ye pa ansa na video no etuo ne to na wotimi hu se nipa na oba beto video oba beto etuo no ogina honom a wapoma ni tuo te se ne jebi hwe na wo so sei ana baako reporter baako gina ekira omo so make ni video nanso Kofi Adoma wanwani die ba bia etuo no hye ye no ehona na ogina of which nipa na okuta etuo no wa hu no because ono wapoma ni tuo oba beto dada enti wuti bi hye wa ha say obi gina na chi ono de of making a story back Kofi Adoma wanwani akogina papa no nchemu pe ba bia etuo no ono na egina ho ya ade na bona odi dwane no enti wuti mi hu say fault na emfree omo tututuo no na emom no menka se bi nto ne die na emom me hu ne sense for sometimes ye kwakofa nsama na ye kwakofa news a ye nya hweye kakra enti MC
God's love, thank you. Now I will talk about this. Me video na me share dan study this about I feel na master video no. Unzo shana do magina ni say.
Ogina tuo ne nchempe
and you can't blame the guy or to no fire and if you say ahemfo bi so girigire ni say. Ontimi mfa etuo ni nkogina ba bia ahemfo ne wana say ontimi show direction to ba bia ahemfo ne wono. Ne ho betimi aba asem ba me ne hu ni say coincident sign ne bae ananka ahwe na okay wasanka Kofi Adoma wani twe ne ho kakra
once reporter baako no ogina
me hu
wasanka in the normal circumstances in like he could have even stand close to nipa na no take video
yes I have video ni unse no ojina ahemfo ne nchen o ana o movie ko ni say
there be baby ojina na nye like asa
na ahemfo bi ja chinye bi si obi so
e no di o mo e ho ni different but nipa na oba betutu no won so ni jebi mpacho person
no Kofi Adoma na she black na say other way na she black na
meba pacho
so bi she suit gina o
ono nye Kofi Adoma won
ono ye de na wo ka say onu distance ne ho na
there be meba won say Kofi Adoma won wani nie
ono de obewura mu ade ne betu na obewura mu one video no
me ba ma hwe ni ye tobo e na me make analysis ni enti say now oni o wo hu won say onu nie enti Kofi Adoma won wani ni jebi ma ne nkwa na chi kakra bi ma me say wo hwe video ni ya aha me pacho gina ho ma me wo hwe ha say ya aha na wo say ba ku ni gina na chi me ba reporter ba ku na wo gina ni okuta tuo na chi no ono na so ya reporter to me say all fa news ana Kofi Adoma wanwani no abegina papa nanim wo baby etu na hwe kosoro no jebi ma ne nkwa ma me jebi wama na kosoro enti that is baby a etu na no ne wono pe na Kofi Adoma ebegina ai aha ene etu ne kan
boss wo sa hwe video ne kra na unse odituo ne ko ne sei no na adap guy na ono be fa news na okọ na chi
yeah
ebi so unse anyo betutuo no nti oye so otutuo na Kofi Adoma wani free echire se be wura mo hwe video ni ya asa ofiri ba bi no be crashing so ana etu ne to ye
nti me hu ne se da mo hu ena ebo no no nti
ebi so okọ ni na me hu se ne ga na ekọ na chi no o she suit black no okọ na chi but oye so be onya direction ni ye so be fa ya na Kofi Adoma wani wura so hwe video ni ya
me hu ne se bia na Kofi Adoma wani
e nko na pese wutwa
there be te what's it like so why me
journalism I know but and we risk my life too much
listen and you so no tie this men can say what me who say baby na Kofi Adoma ekon because so she has say ya papa na okuta tuo sisi no ono ankasa nkrofo ni bi gina nanim ho no mo pe o omu gina nanim wo pe so metimi ewu ni say bia odwen se Kofi Adoma wani emma metutu obia like pano emma metutu obia into oba be gine ne nchen eno na ekofa bai because me metimi aka say one of the job very very risky so we media person not sa title ne da also say we say a reporter like it's very dangerous.
It's a different
yes enti ye den yankopon ase se nani no ankoye kudwoto krampa se nani be obetimi ehu ade abrem de ensem a etwa gudia man
na we say what yes if so hu say adwuma bia oye bia na hu sunsuanso ho you gonna sweat before you eat and adwuma na we say that ko empraw eprawa one kasa timi de motivating we are why and say obejaye so say baba ye adwuma and na obejaye journalism and adwuma we ankasa na ehu God's love say wow timi say hi ye ma 2 billion say kokora won ko yesi kofa ade no adwuma we very adwuma one take risk count me nya na me yemfa say me yiri bi ye say adwuma we a aha me ntimi nda God's love kana me no kre ukunu ye adwuma bi say betimi ada untimi nda no na Afghanistan we kwa so mon ko Afghanistan ni baby a
reporters
Ghana journalists so mon ko baby sa American journalists itimi sumo say ko Iraq will you go say u ko wa unim say obewu o bi ubetimi ewu o ha ne ya twa ya ye video e de ama o president say we ebe be take information ti e be 20 ampa na o president hwe say na twa o tie free so e bi si wa America so o kai sa asem na intime say adwuma bi say de wa also be ye de ai hu sunsuanso na bi no ba ye de nyame ade say nani no saate me so ne nam US ne ade
that time when you recover sa
ba so hwe na ba wasesa on nim afu ne wasasele me
obe so oyare when you depression you na ba che ntinka
na oti opa na when esuma to werade empare ehu ba when the adwuma ne mra no me hu sa na me ya hwe ye ne nya e bi say me say adwuma we de menye menye ntia omunya hweye ahweye ne hia
say ye ko
say asem we see so the wife bow out say o man sheda every say the wife ye queen mother say the odi obai no o so o man sheda so mu tutu na coincident the wife no kra kan de obey okay obey okay the wife ne bow out because say o man sheda if say me nim say obegina me mitu na me ba beto ana ene onkwa na reporter o honum say nti wa obey me ne de wo ne benya wo nigga no she suit black and is also konechi enya no ba wo no on busa say dey na nko kokope otu honom no when your videos ni be from afar fanesa sometimes you see live too much when you be from afar they o picking from afar na so fanesa men ko ben no say wo afar kwa zoom ube hu men ko ben fe to ni phone nko retu nanim ono na akosi we na ba me hu say ye sign on kafra ne ho ato no ne hia
yen call Black Sheriff so kwaku killer don't lie man say I did it I obi mami ne ntai ne yako say o ma ye bi suma obi mami ono ankasa suma ne ho amagana fo so ani agi ni nyina ne say wanya international best international act nomination will be BET2025 of which we are hoping because 2023 there or the say any enti
God's love.
Who is saying
Ghana is going.
Who is saying
my musem ye we hiasem. Da dwene ho anopa. Ewia ne breni na.
Hallelujah.
Se o bompa ya.
Aya kai Ghana.
Sre unyankopon. Fa Ghana shenisa. Enuna ya my papa enuna. Odo. We are very proud of you, Blacko.
Oh, we are proud. We are proud, Nade.
We're taking Ghana to the top. We're taking Ghana to international. Yamin show. We are near you show.
Victory.
Your best story no pa kwa da sa sorry bim see ya ne pesi hu media na so. Ghana artist na mo kumanim na we fa na we giwe na ye nominate we for Grammys. Sa ne ye pe. Any local champions.
One say we say yes, Susuba, I have a local champion. Kelvin Taylor, make recap about a Black Sheriff album now we're releasing. That is Iron Boy.
Iron Boy, yeah.
Of which Kelvin Taylor say, "Otie album ni mo nyina what album ni so nyina it sounds the same story."
Really?
That's what Kelvin Taylor said. To me, I've not listened to all the songs what album so but that is what Kelvin Taylor can say. What to me say suma obi mami and I said whatever song now trendy from the album now you can see the storyline is the same. Is it true? So I said Black Sheriff you know one way or part of Black Sheriff you know one way.
The you can say the album name is Iron Boy.
Yeah.
And before any album biana and you say EP album biana was only intro for the whole songs intro for the project now we you know in this share albums and I say EP square na first songs no and in 2 minutes square na 1 minute 30 seconds for just intro o KBB o my address public and say and anyum net here ubenya enyum 1 or 2 be a yepe but any the same story. Nina because of the Iron Boy topic na and I say we na idina da album so no. What is the meaning of Iron Boy? And he is explaining to you say this is the meaning of Iron Boy. And Kevin Taylor, who Kevin Taylor?
Yeah, I know.
So at the end of Papa Krana, Obechira say Mfumzoka Krawo home.
Oh, and yet there
you know Kevin Taylor.
I know him.
It's never person Babeka Kevin Taylor asem krawa ha amamati.
Oh no.
Ono yeni na ye ko A obeko B.
Oh one opinion into Paco A ono ko B anameboa.
Untimi meka nche Blacko yese be bia waduru ne record label no pete ochom so munyim nyansa. And album na about come man shedan go through no omo release the album no. You are trying to insult them. So what can be say ya? It was so tangible reason. Odo Paco tin interview. Un shedan un so cast papa bia. And one say obiana na so say that cast obiana opinion obiana na so. Ya etie no one so obia out. I criticize say enyum to be quiet peda. The same story da.
Black Sheriff enyum na I want the album ne so no. Enyum ba ko be mpa na nim.
Metie ni na.
Enyum ba ko be.
Metie ne be 30 times.
Sa.
Minya airport shemasum. Na se minya pizza bi se menche coca chili bia. Na me kamena ene to so a. Na minya me shisha pen na me da ho a. Shisha pen. Shisha pen, please.
Please don't let me laugh, Pacho.
Shisha pen.
Hey, what's a jai?
God's love and no one for man kind. To wash me name sir. Make us all human self, because of one effect. I do have so one effect. So mameno is electrifying. Blacko or your god.
Yeah.
And that's all in Yankupon by a god in music.
Yeah.
Would send you no o put you in a pedestal beauty was I did here new media say come merade. My lifestyle people like why I'm so struggling in life. Me a street boy I like be beyond for my
do you know what I like most about Black Sherif? Like everything about Black Sherif, I like it.
Yeah, if it's
or branding who differently from Ghanaian artists
because of the record label,
from the fashion sense, like how and ne looks sits here bibia, and anytime be our project be you can see the visuality of it and like
exclusive visuality,
like a exclusive. Unlike say ube video be now you be like video need you basically say, but whenever you watch Black Sherif video, music video, and now say you see different vibe altogether.
This is the reason why Mr. Michelle say he is working, and the record label no when I'm crank radio. Record label me home
Empire
means me paddies because the paddies are in Kofa no mu dia go free nkura brem enya track dey na say record label no more dey allow no ever na oko enti wuntimi meka jeme say the name Iron Boy na da album ne so no ukoti enyum ba ko miensa mienu bia wo a wote wo dem na onnya bibia ma na on life no wo beka che ne say the same story. I mean, no one adwin. If it's a record label, no woman, omonya sebi, omonya ejimi for nyam kwase abo, sebi omonya kwase afo. They go through everything. Be bare on point. Eh, you make ha na ha yen ni say me ekobosho ebe bibia ye contact nti wo na wote say wabo che na wo di camera si wonim no na beka ebeti wo hu bibi da say obi criticize say bibi sa wo media ne so. Either TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, wo hu bibi sa wo hoda. Hu bibi nti we mama nye case ma wo. Blacko is taking out like or the year far. Bronin Jimmy say be nominated for best international arts. Was that beje? Ni album no so was the beje award BET20. E wo wiase nya Ghana hankwa. Alhamdulillah, inshallah.
Inshallah. Yeah, call your next story. So a DJ Slim any Ken Paluta. Ni nyina ene say DJ Slim say Ken Paluta en deserve one money din na emomu no akutia nim ni wura on deserve. Na Kempaluta so aba be reply no asa Pascal e wo social no
Ekutia ne hwan ya. Just mention the name Ekutia no ne hwan ya.
Listen, me pacho JB as time goes on aye kasa na for that kind of information it so mama.
Uno ukwa udi ke akasa kra no di kambo ni pani. I was surprised. Hey, why Kempaluta? If you be ube ready we ni na we say wa mo obi edi na Ekutia ne ni Ekutia kra wo ka Slim, oye Kumasi guy, men also ye Kumasi guy, oye Kumasi guy, proud American. So why are you doing this?
Yeah.
Why are you doing this? Oh yeah, fan of Stoneboy saying MC portfolio.
Yeah, but only bibi one thing I once one more I can promise them, but
automatically what you want as boss love you yeah now you presenter now or presenter and the call him say Kutiano war but and you know the person on no.
Yeah.
You said it right. Entimi enchenyi topic ni wa ha Kempaluta no ka ne ho asem and no share artist of the year na say you na nomination you go you be call no so Kempaluta is amount into ka say apart from Stoneboy or Kim Promise who again untimi fan ko she Jometal ni beef untimi ni nya beef oni akwa ni wo beef me hu say oni akwa ni wo beef
maybe enya say on ne want to call me I see say on as omo underrated Kim Promise.
Can I ask a question?
Omo underrated Kim Paluta.
Can I ask a general question?
Yeah.
What's the qualification for winning artist of the year? Do you have any qualification for winning artist of the year?
Qualification in what?
Slim as someone working say
like in what? We have many qualification of something. So what is the qualification?
Ebia on one kasa betimi organizing on one kasa ne concert. Any show, any club show, a concert betimi enye nipa almost be 20,000 what fele stadium sana ye hu no
I don't see that way.
Is it part of that qualification they are looking for?
When bibi to me hu ne say on DJ Slim enya ntokwa and on Kim Paluta wo but to ono no sometimes first video ege JB play video bi and na ka say it looks like Kempaluta mpono artist of the year now people are fighting for him on social media like he's very relaxed. As a wadan wa funny pillowcase and I watch it be like oh you're very relaxed. That's what people are saying.
God's love.
And when it be the issue here is when you say nipa no why more relaxed that I know definitely obia we Kumasi ni onim DJ Slim be enim ni make he said definitely DJ Slim is having Kim Paluta's number, and as a people who are close to Kim Paluta, you could have even advised Kim Paluta, say Kim Paluta, Charlie, this one day is supposed to be like this or not that. But Unya Sadian, of which DJ Slim right now, Krumpa, I don't see that kind of how high level of DJ status. Krumpa or DJ Slim, me, I don't see that crack.
Yo, God bless you. As someone can mean share pa Slimon. Enkwano ono moba upcoming no onimobia denta no bia fa na ase ansana
yeah
I know on the portfolio
yeah
me respect you pa Slim. I really respect you, but some you are okay in there when I was so in power pushing American guy no Kim Paluta, you can make it, you can do it, don't be relaxed when one gets one so I relax that you can call him say they are can you mean show one number yo Paluta that's some media and so class now we can test him. Yo, I did with the say, you know, you say a better, you say a better. But my media knows apart from Stoneboy and can promise no, Unmobia also a artist of the year. You are insulting Geometry is amount. Give to yourself amount.
Oh, but when him the entire me says straight to Kim Paluta because the analysis that DJ Slim made here, the video that JB showed.
And Kim Paluta would be as a cowboys. And do be by me person me yin do be by never was say DJ Slim me respect you do be by na was an can fan so na e kofo be so ne boys ninya issue o J bad one when no money na into bizarre say ya internet Slim ni asaka for den shada nya e portfolio
but what there
yes on nangasa o issues with American artists no ono ankasa no one boys nankasa o issue Slim muna wasan kan ni pa motivate omo no ye wunse muna mo ye landlords oni portfolio muna mukuta American entertainment muna ehya mo nsa muna mukasa enye ebeye muna mukasa enkoda enti na mu bu boys na bem so wontimi enkoje na say oya relax won so bia relax I didn't know waking up I was so waking up call him Paluta do this do that we American you bet me away near award no you say me tanwachi amakra na we ni kono ni say onyobia no motivate no onyobia no push no onyobia no shine crying nti wuna we say no o pese yen ka dey o kwa na also your landlord apart from portfolio your landlord no o kwa no o say degrading cry no
and was this year ya Saliman e ka sembisi ani Kim Paluta on deserve artist of the year because of say umuade but yemfa adibuo na ede kwa artist of the year se sa so na DJ Slim ehuna yemfa adibuo ene ede enya award o ye the talent and this guy no or talent no so I don't know the kind of issue DJ Slim is having with Kim Promise of which I don't Kim Promise Kim Paluta now obeko so go to that extent siani. What's this nonsense must stop? What kind of nonsense should TGMA stop? Like, what nonsense should TGMA stop? Like, what? Maybe that kind of statement and that there should have been given to the person who said that. Because I don't know who Momo Babema advised to TGMA. You are rather insulting them. See, and this nonsense. So who are those people portraying that nonsense? That should be stopped.
That's the question.
That needs to put an end to it.
Are you talking about Salman?
I'm talking about DJ Slim.
And
so who making this statement here of it being seen and also this nonsense must stop? Who babema idea and opinion to TGM
and the
like
insulting.
What you say to do this? Oh, I think me DJ Slim I think say for so many years that I've been playing music and how I know things about the music fraternity. I think this time around is Stoneboy and Kim Promise.
That's
you can
all.
say that, then you will leave. You will put your phone somewhere. Then you because your opinion is really important. So your opinion is very important. But this issue here, I will make it that statement under there said this nonsense must stop. Like, who are those people putting that kind of attitude now when they say nonsense? You know? Are you talking to TGMA? You are disrespecting them, bro.
And you were saying something about respect. Or say Salman say on respect. What kind of side they are celebrity be a muadio?
Any Shatawale.
Okasa celebrity bia mu ade.
It's not nice.
Say okasa say respect her celebrity bia mu ade. If you say me betra media so ma obi nkan kwala say ma me ne mesre. Say be me more than.
The way I yada shatawale ne. Ayada shatawale.
Celebrity bia one be omuni na huni mu bon omo. One be na timu so omo yes robert omo penipa. Celebrate so okasa asimu ne celebrity bia ne ho bu ade. Yeah. E ba public obi ne ho bu obi a cheche ne ho. Obi a ya ahia. Yeah. Enti what kind of respect na opese ona omekoto no me pacho na nyankwada me no kasa ko mebunko to na me no kasa yi sana o meye wana like boy na motano ana ofri kumasi nti kwanti na motano enti akra for monya ma was na kumasi for so nyom de ene be hu se yeah was mo so yom de na TGM no muntwam kura na akra music was
me feel say on there is something fishy be a ekoso a maybe ye public ni ye nim yet but now yemfa we nyi bibi anto nchen right now. Do you think said DJ Slim is that DJ Slim that we know before?
No, I think now right now he's doing a podcast, only podcast. I don't know
like on your DJ no
no na yet but I say like you name DJ Slim and na obusa no but I say the podcast no ye that vibe entertainment vibes no be no ye me who say choko sem no that so ye be I don't know yeah. So sometimes I am mon share boys ni nkwa mu ko mu sunsumo obi aye adwuma o ma hit song bear back to back bear 4 Kimpaluta o ye adwuma o ye adwuma 2024 yeah nenyo makoma na nkwa atimi e trend almost bear 7 months I no go lie you yeah still na that so system o call engagement o call weddings o call clubs na ye trending song e one of the training songs na e koso a obi antimi nyai to mpenifo to nkura ni na they say akrabe na nim Kimpaluta is Kimpaluta one akrabe na nim ouch e ko ye mama one nim ouch
ouch yanko ye next story Kofi Mole other brana mafio yes I feel bra no wasesa how can you change because we love the normal body that you had before other brana mafio we were very like make I say accommodate just to see you.
This is serious.
Just to see you. And for us to see you, you have changed. We don't love who you are now. And I'm a boy. The image that you are giving us,
how do you
social, the social media don't like it at all. And they are saying, he said, come on, Charlie, we like that boy now to other brand mafia with that kind of, you know, flexi voice. What's that?
And
why?
Mira hopa, me who video miss na hoini Kofi Mole. Kofi Mole, Apostle Gangster. Apostle Gangster ni.
Oh.
Really? And God's love last time na me knew can aid komo bi say. It's not only Ghanaian celebrities na. Omunyini efe mu. Say they bia na pesi e hu no no. Yemfa Kevin Home Alone, you know Kevin? Yeah. And who is no why? Home Alone a cracket one no. Kevin, who recently? No. Who Justin Bieber recently?
Will Smith so
Jaden Smith recently. Like what's going on? And mean to me ka say Ghana and quiet the whole world. Sa akure esa. Na so nya fame na. O we japade o cars. The person we no hu bia wo ye iske gu na account him obo show 1 year obetime diska no be 3 years na ensan unya o emma sex ladies emu asha wo fo na yina won nchen the person odi no wodie that kind of drugs when invest or your ambassador ma 1 or 2 products be or you okay in life dey na aka biem drugs we need this kind of be na busuan for okay in life.
And now faces me when they say so omusana that kind of peer pressure and I said that kind of influence, you know, penetrated through them simple
100%
because that time now doing what for me to know when dictating you maybe man and to say you me when say so you do money na club or your artist whatever be away na esa CD ma akra no say you the na club and na baby none your more and at least like as time goes on he or she is going to learn you know that time no was obeye but say ke bia wonyini yansa na nka sa de ne beba anka memfa ne say me anka mehu se me club okra na bia ekobo show or club God's love I won't take in alcohol like I won't be smoking and doing all those kind of stuff Rema So recently kra no mukasa wonum drugs nenyum ozeba
basa ba fena me so ozeba.
Yeah, one said there was a time on social media it was circulating say or dealing in drugs because was assistant and a whole lot of issue. So you have a point pa.
And obi ntimi nka say Justin Bieber is stressing out in life. No,
they are fine. They are fine.
It's drugs.
Yes.
Untimi nka say obi tete Justin Bieber ntina white tantanta odwendwen to hey sikani obenye obi odo ne de ba untimi fa nkohye say obi tete no ana odwendwen no drugs.
2023 a report came efa Justin Bieber ho na Justin Bieber ewo yare bi sa yare no wanim na ewo honom sa no wanim fa say time jojo na hanko aye adwuma. Yes, what the bar out or the bar out na ne fa say ne fa say ya chia
any video.
It was true, like
music video, me say movie be no
matter. 2023, I read it myself and I presented it at where I was working before.
He's okay now.
Like he's okay now. So me wanna see any apart from Saya Riane Beto no. And recently a PDD issue na buy na ye omu check that time and Justin Bieber ni PDD I don't know if I'm correct with the name.
PDD.
Or one in us now. One in the Kobengina, and what means that there are signs like some signs be honoma tamana Justin Bieber wo PDD one now Oshana Justin Bieber per se the public should know, but not public never say a normal thing. There are some old videos be on me by of which Ninum be honum crampa that time no boy the storyline talks about PDD and now you're arrested and now you didn't answer no like you and when you flashback about in a song you will say oh this is the storyline that this guy was giving us but you when they say you just done keke but it wasn't you get it it's me when they say I sometimes when you be fame ni real you need people no matter the fame the money now when you need people to cycle you like your one kasa was psychological was
very necessary. If you say when you need power be too say they will say be too for you first can you say drugs no if you get addicted to something now and no hey me say na me so no nkofo bi enum wi a anaso mo smoke omo ye drugs am say na nkofo ni to mo ntimi njai obi ye mass motivate na ntimi ntino ba ko ho obi ye bibia like if you get addicted to something God's love nyame anjewa obe say anaso be time.
But point of correction me pacho eya chefo amosha ye nka say Kofi Mole enom drugs so name like how you see who no na nkrofo so kan wa be fontentan fidie ne so ene ye ka ho asem ene ye di bi so afa ekwan ni bebre ene ye bubu
we are not
condemning say Kofi Mole
ba mo amosha
before and after wutimi say na funu ne soro do mpanyina aba na ni nyina ye red na bodwe sana sa intention ni nyina mfu bie minim se first no de bie nku na sra na bodwe o ne 55 ni nyina asa ne nsa like everything ne rasta ne crampon looking fresh like everything has changed.
Oh, this is serious. Ghanaians say e won mo bia mesre mo me enfo mo enia no underground chale can say kwesi ata we wa guy no
say Kofi ata dey say o Ghana
on say so worry o on say worry o
na I know
when ya DB binyankopon abona DB bia wanya no na ya toka ama no erade
egasa wa worry da worry egasa obi na ehwe no
kwesi ne kwam na MP Twitch mo na munipa ne Kofi Mole
what kwam na MP mama
kwam na MP
like where is he where is the guy like them since any papa wu ye no as maintain ne nka bie mo social media
say omo president so omo president akosha abrocheje omo ntino
this year more
God's love I safi do won say sometimes na nka bomu ye if you are united as a group someone ya dia muntem tete bibia basa kwesi ata no koye me na yin kwa no na won sheda ntine nka awde fefe na fe betwa ma
Fafene fempo no sankenye educator and the video bi na woye like too longer ankasa enyom no ko bi ehu se fafene fe bi o
if you are united as a group na mo yi juma was some mo spirit na carb mo wi so far as obi betene ho no na mas split na afi bibia e basa obi e ko any solo e ye be dia mamo Kofi Mole I know Kofi Mole Apostle Gangster. Kokotre kura enti ne hu jai. Kokotre hu Kofi Mole na bibi ya ye no ne. Se minu ye de ne koye horror movie o. Se de ne koye I don't know. Kofi Mole mi hu na me nyini say ye wono.
Wasesa so much me here adamfo papa obeye te se kwaku manu. Adamfo papa o te se kwaku manu obefa na adamfo ahye ne ntomo mu se awode me so awode me mom de ba also bramin tell you na won die mom won say Kofi men kan say kwaku manu or funny face and then when you see funny face
God bless
wasisa totally like this guy is looking very good.
We gaining in
cultural center a jazz club. I met funny face there
recently,
like this year funny face I met him there. Like this guy is looking fresh.
Was saying your body be
enti nkiyanka say here down for be just like kwakumanu or then be ban chance e showed me. I showed you to a former den so still I want you to come close to me.
God's love. Sanya me be so man ho kwan na nipa be boa. Ba wo ye say wa wo boa ho enye yi.
Now who say be Kofi Mole depression at action because now music is not coming and ye nim ebia how ebio maybe things how
is that what you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
And maybe a depressed actually because untim release these songs be oniska or they be call studio like so kind of thinking too much can lead to
the comments
depression.
Echo social media amount for comments I say let's help him. Let's help him no nipa be 1.2k and let's help him. Say be koso.
Now you can see
something financial and I say I don't know it be a relationship. If it's a we the night Mr. na kokotre mo kwa na crash on so on the date if na get on the bro na unti me nka say e bia relationship na man stress out
there be me nkasa
like me na make
so we artist
me na make maybe so they all can so be no cre e bia financially no nye stable right now and farmer no na mo kwa abochi kwa na mo asaba mo be dey wo Ghana no wo abochi no Kofi Mole no wo abochi e me say last year
oh about
the video be buy so run chance mu some restaurant be when we say video no and ko buy say na music video no kwa no e kama not just 5 months what me I say okay
okay enti yeah quite a last story so your last story Efya EFY edin sama wo kan say or no there most at times no you can say artists no mo support or so no there or supporting crofo pa nti ono edu ne so an crofo support no e no sa kan sem bi so say me akasa me Efya ya memeti ha sei Efya nocturnal say what the
nocturnal na ya chew na me wese na fe nocturnal Efya nocturnal okoya santua girls na fe na Efya nocturnal
eh nya sam ketwa
Efya
o say ono there ohun ni say Ghana radio stations no omo mbo eyo omonyom saa te se na ebi omo pe no ne nsama o kan ye no MC Ken ansa na me de atwa to
me say my mencho sometimes ana celebrity mo fake your lifestyle ye ka se obi abra se wa bra music me ni ba bi da me da studio na ye nyom obi kura ma medical to de na me ndi no ye ka se obi abra we mo nka ho my mencho Efya background Efya ko ya santoa ya santoa girls tanaso obetena kumasi ko school wiye ne maame adwoa awendo greetings from abroad then time ani so TV personality ne ba ne Efya awendo Efya nocturnal to be precise Efya nyo bia ne ho akire ne wonwum tumi se menyeska anye video menyeska anye se menyeska record ne
what means ska wo fie dada
ono edb jeme cho ti ase ba o edb and interview no okoye na nigga no presenter ni busa ne say Ghana female celebrity na say man omo to no ase mo nche da nye eyiwom industry mo buy na matiko nipa na nke mi nso ko betime jene na so for most be 10 years airborne no so na ewi wentimi
enye so wentimi ya
akwanhia se na wentimi am complete there
sure
enti wo Efya bet na be ka say wo no wo support your man for and you get the same thing in return wa anka ni ye two person o chem say nti o mo upcoming for ni na no o mu hia na support na ko bi manager bi na say producer bi na say director bi bebo no ko no you see that thing I was say odi we chika for
nti wa anka ni ye
nti wo be ka chere o bet TV ka dey support wo support your man for na support o back o be ma youth no ma confuse and I support you be then I say in your name better the rough and I say you may be free once and I'm push ye aquanimu. That was the question. So I say my way for winning to say I support people.
Oh, if you are a Mr. Fato, so
no support here, man. For what support Ben Walker.
Yeah.
Who if you only be on watching, will be on watching ever saw the Ukraine, Sako de Canana watching. Why can't I mean using no? Ghana is one another watching.
Sako de another one.
Could smoke. I never kind of story say on Ufi Kumazuni if you could that come and piece the same story. Ufi man Casimo can only baby that or the studio could to me that way. Sorry, Praha. No, I saw that Cotanabo and Tamo Messi who never was habit now. Say, I'm Paddy, say, I'm Passo to the eye, no, I can ask him. Into Moba, Moncano cray. And share you to know, Charlie, maybe a DBO to me, ma'am, rent me, me should then name will be our bro music in this. Now, when we say, I'm a member of my bra, and then you fame. But I catch him and say, now you're supportive in Tamam for then I'm supportive. Oh, but now, but that, who if you're Pajana, who's our body, and I'm sure there's some way you collabo. With best in me and one when the devil in me name Sanjum so no is akodi to one our platform that no sorry you break my heart and I never do it dear kind you
lied to me boy I should have known you would do it to me and dear baby you know it to me I am mommy cause I give it up to you and you I'm in love with you now
you know this thing Efya is very good Usubanye so me pe usara me don't me the bechawa mawabo yes usubanye me Efya is very good oh very good me say oh
you sanke chade me de hye gu mane ya de afei krade me de bi enkuto sra
Efya song bia hit Efya
this girl is very talented and do you know what I like about Efya? The stage performances have always like vocal, from attitude, from everything. You can see
energetic.
Like who say? And on him stage performance, this girl.
Me jabaku, if you're not going America, my Santwa.
Oh no,
you're athlete.
Yeah.
Who say no? What's our body?
No, you're sports.
Nancy, no, never rigid though.
Hey, what's what?
Oh, like. Oh yeah, why? Like they can not America.
That's say like what you do.
Me man can't just say if you're athlete or a year own genie. Obiye no obejedi. No kwemi kama ya Santua, no a sports woman or a sports girl. Inti Efya like me feeling in as a whole, the person me feeling no. So nenyum ni me Efya nyum bia ntimi ka say hete.
Efya de.
Efya ye inti sometimes I
wanna know if you have forgotten.
Do you know this song with Akwabwa
honestly nenyum de.
Dear me
Dear many to the sound on Quani Mediano. No, Billy Mitchell.
Yes. I feel very good.
You're quite another story of so I see on the radio stations. I walk on and bomb on your side. Like,
if I see a more
like as a Ghanaian songs in the side.
Sir, oh, so 4 sides or more. 4 sides or more back to back.
So you don't agree with it?
If you no what time I go UTV. If you what time I go 4 sides. On my lifestyle is something else. On your time so what they are. In some every 5 months I feel no better than say recording na.
Sure. So
what you are saying to no many times say me go TV hu. The matter go catch home. Yeah. Into we are born you my bed and then me if you catch and say if you be boy when you TETE MMOFRA because so heavy.
Yeah.
Into how do you know say you born you man say you more you. And how can in the general thing say you mbo Ghana music.
See and how I see bo like
on penisa.
There be any song cast on penisa. Like how or expect senka almost song Ghanaian artists na we say me fan say omo bono like
say omayama afrobeat ni ya demo.
Yeah, but me hu ne say on Ghana nyom no omo bono ye pe Ghana nyom ba se no enyuma yeso Ghana fo ye pepa ye tie Nigeria fo
akodi alata
won Nigeria fo so ye bomo die na enyamo die ne nko a o DJ ne so or listeners every DJ be a listeners say obi hu no be ka say DJ Cash di obonyumo
Chiki
DJ Slim di obonyumo Chiki bonyumo we bonyumo you get it so me who ne say the DJs in Ghana they play your song so like artists be a bomb on you say nyom ne crumple your mother me I can testify working with Wound to Me Multimedia, there was a DJ there. What the nyom ba no ya underground artist na nyom ne ye ne denko an nya nyom bia no bebu enyom ne ye ne denko an obo nyom bia wo de wonyom kan playlist ho. So sometimes the artist should understand the same. Ye bom nyom ba Ghana fo na ye bom nyom no Ghana fo na etie ne so ne sese alata fo na form adwun entie no so mo pe enti wo de alata de ne befa ne ye Ghanaians ne so ye pe enti better no the artist should also work on their scripts whenever they are bringing out a song. Yeah. So that's how I see it.
And they say Afrobeat there, God's love is everywhere. Afrobeat and when we say Ghana for news there, you see Kojo Black with Excellence with Kevin Boy.
Yeah.
Me who them cause Nigeria new. If say ne nsema oka and start will see deliver no Nigerian and only the boys who see answer. When we say Ghana for no mu see there, enkoye Rima. Enkoye Fireboy na de bi o male mo ko mani mo international mbeti ma peke sa star oni bi Afrobeat is from Africa Africa and Ghana is part of Africa and just Nigeria from ko na e be fa Afrobeat tell mani ase mo so mo nsia de mo the drill by Ejitu Masaka Ejitu mu and it's going globally baby e be fa kubia no drip song unsa saka for na ko and it's mo nsia Afrobeat ne mo. They say o international they didn't say Rema sell Afrobeat and I mean say bro for no de tonyum no so kan ho I don't know
I say Ghana for so use bro for nyum but I think say in Ghana yeah Brandon in there yeah wo from Brandon in there wo from
me wo some comments be or any messages or say I really like the show you are looking so beautiful and the guy too yeah da masi bebre ka o kan no nkwa dan ke to kam no be ko ano so akobo tintin no mo pese Mr. Also a single, Obi Busa a single.
We are single.
And
I'm purely virgin. Open crumpa for machine basi and I'm in Jinaso. I have for any day any Jihon Sam ever bro. May come for a year or D for Samuel. Ama will say. Amani hunu bia a dawo sono. O frena. Obemo Watson a te. And not Emma one nan say. And na Emma bibi say uweni susu wunhuna de enti ani na wo na obi foforo eweni na obetimi ehu ne ehunhu no odi for Samuel freno o wa hen boboa no kumase ya enkomo a woni ni bedi no ebeye simple ama wo so asere ha ne bi enu nti freno eye spiritual marriage opese wutu kwan eye ahini ho nsensem asase bi ho nsensem ade bia uhu ne se Emma wa brabo enkosi de wusi pe no fra wodi for Samuel obefa kwan papa so aboa we nya kwan abra bia asem na tua 10,000 ansa na mahwe da bi enya sa me se kai obiem so say so pese wo ton wade e wo tete mmofra online TV a ye wo ma wo ye pro na bie kakraka kese pa ama wo say wade bia opese ye bosu don komi ne ye di adoma to so ne ye sa pai ma wo ye boy ensem pai ma wo no ya wo homa ya puno biebi kakraka fa numbers na a wall screen so not fraying ya nu bedi nkomo kakra bi ana se ubetimi afa number ya me baba buboy ubetimi attest ya beje so kama number ni 0207170130 0207170130 Midi Edigos Lava Fum. I will always be your bubbly presenter, entertainment analyst. Midi ni Jehon Sembe bro. Na metina kunya kesiye mu. Na midi mehema. Mene wahine kesiye so ete studio. Hase ya di eni Jehon Sembe wa. Eye MC Omar Sterling. The finest MC in Comerica. Makram.